Hello everyone, it's Merve from Weglot, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to translate an external link with Weglot. Weglot provides an external link translation feature which allows you to display a different link on your translated pages. This way you can localize the resources on your website and improve the user experience for your international audience. To activate this feature, go to your Weglot dashboard and open the Settings tab. Toggle the Enable External Links Translation option and click on Save Changes. Then to change an external link, go to your translations list and filter by external link. This way you can see all the external links and replace the translated versions with another link. Please note that you may have to clear your browser cache and refresh the page in order to see the difference on your website. So this was it for our tutorial. Don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@weglot.com if you need help, and see you in our next video.